decided to do a Pennywise tutorial. Now, I don't know if this is like kind of outdated or not because I think the movie came out last year and the one before that. But I really think that it's cool. I've been wanting to do this makeup, so I just have a picture pulled up my tablet of Pennywise. And I've already done my foundation, my concealer, and I just need to do my brows real quick. I know he has like super thin brows, but I'm going to do kind of a glam Pennywise. So we're not covering our brows for this. We're going to do them like normal. I've really been loving like glam versions of things like this. So that's what we're doing. So I just use Benefit Give Me Good Brow on my brows. And let's go ahead and get started on the eyes. So I'm going to be using the Naked Smoky palette from Urban Decay. And I really just want to do like a kind of dark smoky eye. So I'm going to start off with my Moda M19. And I think I'm going to start off with the color... I think I'm going to start off with Whiskey and put that on my lid first. And I'm just going to kind of blend it out. I'm going to do it on both sides. I'm blending up fairly high. So then after I've blended that a little bit, I actually want to take Black Market and put that on my lid and kind of blend that up into that. And I've kind of just flipped my brush over and I'm like smoking them together more. So at this point I'm going to take a smudger brush and I'm going to take Black Market again and go under my eyes with that. And I'm just using my finger to kind of smudge that out more. So then since I'm doing glam, I'm going to go ahead and highlight with High. So we're just going to put that under our brows and in our inner corners. So now I'm going to move on to doing face paint for now. So I'm going to be taking my Arty Party face paint and I'm going to be starting with the color Red. So I have red right here. And I want to be somewhat precise about the lines, so I'm going to use this brush right here. It's like a thin, like, flat brush. So I'm just going to get that wet and kind of like mix it around in the face paint. I probably should have clipped my hair for this, but it's alright. So then I'm kind of just going to follow the lines that are on its face. So it looks like the first one starts here. So I'm just going to follow those and bring them down. So it looks like they basically do that and connect to his mouth. So then the other one does the exact same thing on this side. So now I'm just going to kind of go through and darken the red up just a bit. So next up, I'm actually going to go ahead and do my nose. So the nose is red as well, so I'm just going to take the same brush and start painting my nose. putting paint right at your nose does not smell great. Okay, so now that I've got that done, I feel like I want it to be darker. So I'm gonna mix a little black and red paint and kind of see if I can make the red darker. So I'm basically going to go into the black first and then kind of mix it with the red and start with trying that on the nose to get like a darker red. I don't know if this will work, but I just feel like that was too light. So I feel like that kind of muddied it and made it more brown. So I'm going to go back in with some more red on top. I mean, that kind of works. I think I'm going to run black through the lines just to kind of make it look a little bit more like, I don't want to say scars, but you know, just like darker. So I'm just going to take a much smaller brush and I'm just going to start running it through these. So then I'm just going to kind of go in with my finger on this and kind of just make it like a little bit less crisp. And then I'm going to go back through with the red. So next up I want to work on the lips. So I'm going to start off with using Black Radiance and Panther. I'm just going to put that on my lips. So once I've got that on, I'm going to take the Zoella ColourPop in Self Love Club. And I'm just going to put that right over it. Kind of just dabbing it. And then I'm going to go over the red again because I really just want to like make it like a deeper color if I can. So now that we've got that bit done, I'm going to go off camera and put on some fake lashes to go with this since we're going glam. Okay guys, so I've gone off cam to put on these false lashes and I added mascara and a little bit of liner just to help blend them. So now I want to go in with my Roxy Contour and Highlight palette. And since this is glam, I want to add just a little bit of this sparkly highlight in a couple spots. So I actually want to go over the red nose with a little highlight. And then like kind of just in the normal highlighting areas. I think that just like adds to like the glamness of the look and stuff. Overall, unless you want to do colored contacts and like fake teeth and stuff, this is the finished look. I think this looks cool. Definitely wish I had like some darker face paint to like do like a darker thing with like the lips and stuff. But overall, I think this still looks really cool for like the glam Pennywise look, and I would totally do something like this for Halloween. Let me know in the comments if you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and let me know what you think. And I will see you guys later. Bye guys!